What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be talking about Ethereum Fibonacci Retracement. So we'll be taking a look at the Ethereum price chart. We'll also be taking a look at the Ethereum market cap chart. We'll be taking a look at the Ethereum versus gold chart. We'll be using the Fibonacci Retracement tool to see where we'll be giving us resistance or where we'll be acting as support. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. If you want to get notified anytime I drop a new content. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So guys, kicking off today's video, this is the Ethereum versus the US dollar price chart. Ethereum has been in the washing machine range since May 12th, 2021. We actually got to as high as 4,300 per Ethereum. Then we got down in the summertime, that was May, June, July. We got down to 1,700. We went back to test those highs. We actually set new all-time highs. Ethereum got to as high as 4,800. That was when Bitcoin was stopping at 69,000. That was on the 10th of November 2021. Ethereum got as high as almost 5,000. A lot of people were expecting that $5,000 Ethereum. We didn't get that, but then we set another low at 2,100, and right now we're just been ranging across $3,500 per Ethereum to 2,100, 2,200 per Ethereum. But see, you know what? Let's look at Ethereum from the point of the whole cycle instead of us looking at the intraday movement and getting caught up in the intraday price change. Let's look at it from the whole point of the whole cycle. So this is Ethereum price chart on the weekly. Now I'm going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, and if you want to find a Fibonacci retracement tool, you come to where your tools are. You can see we have other tools here. We have Fib channel, inside fork, Smith fork, pitch fork. I'll use Fibonacci retracement tool, and how you use it, guys, is that you go to the top of the previous bull run for any chart you want to use, to the bottom of the bear market. If it's a time frame, you just go to the top of a pump to the bottom of that pump to tell you how high the next pump can go. So if we do that for Ethereum, the top of the 2017 bull run to the bottom of the bear market, that was in December 2018, it will tell us how far Ethereum can actually go in the future. And what it's telling us right now is that Ethereum has not completed its full Fibonacci extension. You can see right now, as I drew this Fibonacci retracement tool on the Ethereum chart, you can see that Ethereum just got as high as the 3.618, which it almost hit perfectly. It's so funny that these Fibonacci retracements actually act as support and resistance. Guys, you might be wondering, why does this happen? Why is it that all these lines are very significant? Because a lot of people are using this, and in the end, since a lot of people are using it, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You can even see that the last rally we had in March 2022, we actually stopped at a very important resistance. We couldn't pass that place, and boom, we hit that resistance, and now we're back down. We're finding another support. We'll see whether we can find a support. You can see that when the Russia-Ukraine stuff happened, where we actually even landed was a huge support. That was 2,227 per Ethereum. Guys, I'm still expecting higher prices for Ethereum. You see, according to the Fibonacci extension tool, it's telling us that Ethereum can actually get to as high as 5,700. Now, because too many people are expecting it, I don't think we'll get to that 5,700. Guys, I'm showing you another sign in Ethereum market cap chart that I'm showing us that just maybe the Ethereum bull run is over. Guys, let's not forget, Ethereum has had a wonderful run. From the bottom of the market, Ethereum rose over 6,000%. That is really crazy. If you had $1,000 at the bottom of the market, you bought $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you had over $60,000 worth of Ethereum on the 22nd of November 2022 when the market was topping. Some people will say you're getting greedy if you're expecting higher prices in Ethereum, because I mean 6,000% is a huge return. I can see that right now, since when Ethereum had the biggest move was from March 2020 till May 2021. That was when Ethereum went up almost 5,000%. That was the whole move for Ethereum. After that, Ethereum has just been ranging. Okay, after that it fell how many percent? It fell 62%. It had another pump. The pump was how many percent? And 196%. Let's even say 200%. Then again, that's falling another 55%. Even if we have another pump from the bottom that we just had in March 2022 when Russia was invading Ukraine, that will just be another 164% pump. So you can see from a percentage standpoint, Ethereum's bull run is probably over. They might be profiting Ethereum. Ethereum is going to make a lot of profits, but you're not going to see that 5,000% gain again. Because why, guys? We're late in the cycle. We have had our our pump, crash, and we have our retrace, and now we're having our markdown. This is a place where people are distributing. All the people that bought at the bottom, they are the ones selling at the top here. They are selling small because they cannot sell everything, and you can see that the volume is actually reducing. Now guys, let's take a look at the Ethereum market cap chart. That one tells us a different story. You could see that the price chart was telling us that Ethereum didn't get past this 3.618 region, which is fair. So we're expecting higher prices in Ethereum, assuming we're expecting Ethereum to complete this Fibonacci extension too. But something important is happening in the market cap chart. If we go to the top of Ethereum previous bull run to the bottom of the market using the market cap chart, guys, it's telling us a very different story. It's telling us that Ethereum has actually gone very far in its cycle, and probably, maybe, just maybe, Ethereum has actually topped. Because if you look at the price chart here, Ethereum versus the US dollar, you can see that the highest we got to was this 3.618. But on the market cap chart, it's telling us that we almost got to the full 4.236 extension. If you're one of the people that sold Ethereum in November 2021, you'll be very happy because you almost sold the top. But guys, because of Ethereum has risen over 6,000%, it's making me to believe that probably Ethereum has probably topped. Guess what, guys? If you go to the top of that bull run for the market cap to the bottom of the bear market, it's telling us that Ethereum has gotten to this very high point that's almost top. For my own money, I would just think that maybe Ethereum will come back and test this resistance. It can do it. Ethereum can come back and go as high as $583 billion, because we got to as high as $574 billion, and this Fibonacci extension tool is telling us that the highest Ethereum can probably get before it complete its full Fibonacci retrace, all the retracements, is $583. You can see that we got to as high as $143 in 2017, 2018. It was crazy. Everybody thought that was the moon. Then the market actually crashed and we went back to $8 billion. Then we retraced back and pumped to as high as $500 billion. That was the first pump we had in May 2021. Then we dumped back, we went above $500 billion. Obviously, Ethereum set a new all-time high at over $4,800. And right now we're just waddling here with the washing machine motion. Same thing happening with the whole market and Bitcoin not having a direction. But guys, I expect us to come back to test this $500 billion region. That was the important resistance for us in the first place. I expect us to test it. If we can break this resistance and turn to support, kudos to us. We'll be expecting higher prices for Ethereum. But right now, guys, I actually think the Ethereum bull run is over, because if Ethereum is up over 6,000%, even if Ethereum actually goes on its full extension on the market cap chart, we only have just 71% of profit. And if you carry 71% of profit from the current price point for Ethereum at 71%, where is it getting us to? Probably getting us to almost our previous all-time high. And I can see Ethereum doing this just to get people very bullish. Everybody will get bullish, thinking we're going to 5,000, we're going to go to the moon, and then people will get wrecked. Very possible. I've seen these things happen over and over again. This will not be the first time happening. But these Fibonacci extension tools, they tell us a very good story. If you follow them judiciously, you can know the region to exit the market. We can know when it will actually be safe for you to leave the market. Because I mean, if you left Ethereum since May 2021, guys, guess what? You have lost nothing. You have just been happy because you got the meat of the move from the bottom of the market to that May 2021. You got over 6,000% return on your initial investment. And since what Ethereum have been doing, all the nonsense Ethereum have been doing since 2021, since May 2021, you would have just been in fear, just enjoying yourself, because Ethereum has basically gone, it has basically even lost value from where it was last year. So you would have probably just saved yourself the whole stress of going up with the market coming down. That's why these Fibonacci extension tools are very important, guys, because a lot of people just look at the price chart, that's Ethereum against the US dollar. They miss the big picture. They are looking at the everyday movement. Oh, what's the price of Ethereum today? What's the price of Ethereum tomorrow? So they miss the whole picture. They cannot see it for what it is, that we are actually at the top end of this extension tools where Ethereum has actually pumped. Right now what is happening is people that bought it at the bottoms, at people that bought Ethereum at $80, $100, they're selling it at huge returns. If you bought Ethereum at $100 right now, you're selling your Ethereum at a 2,800% return, which is very crazy. Guys, we're going to be looking at the Ethereum versus gold price chart using the Fibonacci retracement tool. We'll go to the top of the previous bull run for Ethereum versus gold to the bottom of bear market for Ethereum versus gold. And guys, you can notice a very interesting relationship right here. You can see that on the Ethereum versus gold price chart, we did not pass the 2.618 retracement level. So we have three levels right now. We have the first level on the US dollar price chart. We got to the 3.618. On the market cap price chart, we almost got to the full extension, but you can see that on Ethereum versus gold, we did not pass the 2.618. So will Ethereum start outperforming gold? Only time will tell. But for my own money, I would think we'll probably come back here to test this region. That's Ethereum versus gold. We'll come back to this 2.618 to test that region. Just the same way we might come back on the market capitalization chart to actually test this $584 billion region. And on the price chart, we might come back here to test 4,900 or 4,800 depending as the case may be. But guys, I don't think we'll be getting to that $5,700 region per Ethereum level. I don't think we'll be getting there. You might be wondering, why don't I think we'll be getting there? Guys, because the supply of Ethereum in circulation is constantly increasing because miners are being paid anytime they process the Ethereum transaction. So more Ethereums are coming into the space, and as more Ethereums are coming into the space, each new Ethereum is worth exactly the price at the point of creation. So if you think about that, we'll be expecting more Ethereums, and that's why probably we didn't hit the full extension on the market cap chart, and maybe that's why we didn't hit the full extension on the price. Maybe that's why we didn't hit the full extension on the Ethereum price chart, but you see that on the market cap price chart, we almost got there. Only time will tell. But right now, the Fibonacci extension tool is telling us that, guys, we're in the ending phase of this Ethereum bull run. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Do you think Ethereum is going to get to its full extension, or do you think the Ethereum bull run is coming to a very glorious end? See you guys in my next video. Bye.